What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to view locked chats on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and from the main chat screen, swipe down with your finger. This will reveal a locked chats folder. Tap on it, and if you have Face ID or Touch ID enabled, WhatsApp will ask for authentication. Once verified, your locked chats will be displayed. Keep in mind that while locked chats are protected, they are not fully hidden by default. If you want to completely hide them, tap on the settings icon in the top right. Look for the option to hide locked chats and turn it on. WhatsApp will prompt you to set up or enter a secret code. This is a passcode that will be required to access hidden chats. Set a code that you will remember. Confirm it, and once done, your locked chat will no longer be visible, even if you swipe down. To find a hidden chat, tap on a search bar in WhatsApp and type either the secret code or the contact's name. If you type the correct secret code, the hidden chat folder will reappear. Alternatively, searching for the contact's name will also bring up their chat, which will then unlock with Face ID or Touch ID. That's all you need to know to access locked and hidden chats in WhatsApp. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.